Now, velocity factor, and this is uh, most important in the firearms. And the amount of energy dissipated by a small tiny metallic piece is much higher than a heavy blunt weapon, because the blunt weapon having broader surface like brick, stone or anything else, when it strikes, the amount dissipated to the tissues per unit area, per square centimeter or per unit, is lesser than the bullet traveling at high speed and striking at a single point. The whole energy is dissipated at a single point of entry. And not only it indents, it lacerate, but it energizes the tissues. The tissues where it strikes, they get energized and they start traveling with the same speed of the bullet as the bullet is striking. That's why the whole track is expanded. The tissues, they are expanded and they come back. So initially when the bullet passes, the track is much larger for few milliseconds, and then the tissue recoil back, but a track, a cavity remains there. So the velocity in the bullet or velocity of the force is an important factor in determining the outcome of the wound. So when an object moving at high speed striking at a definite point will produce much higher damage than the blunt weapon, because of the fact that the per unit dissipated energy is less. Force is directly proportional to mass and square root of the velocity, and this is how the velocity plays an important role. Now the contact area, that the subject or the tissues where the force is being applied.